Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reinstall our computer without losing our data. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first thing first, we need to go to our setting. I'm going to click on the start menu and I'm going to select my settings, and in the settings we need to go to the system setting. Okay, and here we can scroll down until we find the recovery option. And if you want to reinstall your computer, you can select this option, reset this PC, and click on reset PC. And if you want to reset your PC without losing your data, you can select keep my files. Okay, and after that, you just need to wait for a moment until your PC has been reinstalled. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reinstall our computer without losing the data. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.